Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript. Module 7, ES6 Plus Features. Module 7 focuses on the features introduced in ECMAScript 6, ES6, and beyond, enhancing the capabilities and syntax of JavaScript. ES6, released in 2015, brought significant improvements to the language, making it more powerful, expressive, and easier to use. Here's an overview of some key features covered in this module. 1. Let and const. ES6 introduced block-scoped variables with let and const, offering more control over variable scope and preventing accidental reassignments. 2. Arrow functions. Arrow functions provide a concise syntax for defining functions, with implicit returns and lexical this binding. 3. Template literals. Template literals allow for easier string interpolation, multiline strings, and expression embedding using backticks. 4. Destructuring assignment. This feature enables unpacking values from arrays or objects into distinct variables, enhancing code readability and conciseness. 5. Default parameters. ES6 allows function parameters to have default values, simplifying function definitions and reducing the need for boilerplate code. 6. Rest and spread operators. The rest and spread operators enable working with variable numbers of arguments, arrays, or object properties in a more intuitive way. 7. Classes. ES6 introduced a class syntax that simplifies the creation of object-oriented code in JavaScript, providing a more familiar syntax for developers coming from other languages. 8. Modules. ES6 modules offer a standardized way to organize and reuse code, allowing developers to easily share functionality between files and projects. 9. Promises. Promises provide a cleaner alternative to callback-based asynchronous programming, facilitating better error handling and sequential async operations. 10. Async/await. Building upon promises, async/await syntax offers a more intuitive way to write asynchronous code, making it appear synchronous while preserving the non-blocking nature of JavaScript. 11. New data structures. ES6 introduced new built-in data structures like map, set, weak map, and weak set, providing more efficient alternatives to traditional object and array manipulation. 12. Iterators and generators. These features enable more flexible iteration over data collections, allowing developers to define custom iteration behaviors and lazy evaluation. By understanding and applying these features, developers can write more efficient, maintainable, and expressive JavaScript code. The module likely covers both the theory behind these features and practical examples to illustrate their usage in real-world scenarios.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.